Hi everyone. A particle is moving with the given data, and we're going to find the position of the particle. And this is what we have. Our velocity of t is sine of t minus cosine of t, and we're also given that s of 0 equals 0. So when we get started, we're going to look at this. We're given the velocity of t, and we want to find the position of the particle or the displacement, s of t. So we know, given this little diagram here, that v of t equals the derivative of s of t, and we know v of t is sine of t minus cosine of t. All right, and so to get s of t, we're going to do the integral of vt, which is sine, this is vt, so that's sine of t minus cosine of t dt. So when you take the integral here, the antiderivative of sine of t is negative cosine of t, and the antiderivative of cosine of t is just sine of t, but you still have the minus. And then you put your plus c. So that's your s of t. Now, we want to first evaluate s of 0. So s of 0, this should be equals negative cosine of 0 minus sine of 0 plus c. So this is going to be negative 1. Cosine of 0 is 1. Sine of 0 is just 0. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the 0. So it's just going to be negative 1 plus c equals s of 0. We know s of 0 equals 0. So solving for c, we get c equals 1. So the position or displacement is s of t equals negative cosine of t plus or minus sine of t plus 1. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.